on that. I have switch on that.
I hope you all know about the syllabus and all. Reminded you so many times. First 5 chapters of Flamingo. Then 4 chapters of Vistas. And 5 poems. Right? Then writing skills. I have already given you the practice test in which all the format, the questions, forms, everything was given that the which type of questions will be there in your final exam of September. Any doubt in that? Yes. Now I'm going to start with your book of Vistas, right? So the last chapter that is on the face of it. So I'm going to discuss that chapter. Actually, that chapter is in dialogue form. So the very first thing is that you need to read that so that we can understand the speaker's feelings, right? So only we need to discuss in the chapter is writing skill में क्या क्या होगा. Yesterday I have put you the message on the group, morning, Khushi. So in that the topics which are deleted from where from there you will get nothing. And rest of the things that is notice, advertisement, letter writing and all, article and report. From there you will get the questions in the same form as you were given in the practice paper. Like what we have to write there, whether the date will be before heading or not, what is the salutation for this, what is called the complementary clause, the things which you have been already told in the classrooms, right? The only thing is that you need to take the answers, whichever the question is asked from the writing section. Just for an example, I'll say for example, the question is that whether you have to put the notice in small form or letters or in the capital letters. So the options will be NOTICE in capital, NOTICE in small, or N capital, rest of the letters are in small letters, or maybe none of these. So your answer will be NOTICE in capital. Clear? So such type of questions will be there. Okay. So I want to start the chapter on the face of it, right? Because I find it somewhat the chapters of Vistas which are not very clear to you, because they were taught to you in your online or YouTube classes. So let me start from the Vistas book, because the Flamingo, which we already discussed in the classrooms, the chapters of Flamingo, right? Okay. The questions which you are going to be, you will get in your exam, the questions will be, for example, you will be asked the author's name, you will be asked the what is the play suggesting, what is the theme of the chapter or the story. Such type of questions will be there, right? So for example, from the chapter on the face of it, the question will be who has written on the face of it. Shall I unmute you so that you can raise your hand and one of you will speak? Yes. Khushi? Hello? Khushi, unmute yourself and speak so that I can listen you. Hello? Khushi Chaudhary, unmute yourself so that I can hear you, that whether you have unmute yourself or not. I have put the button that the participants can allow themselves to unmute. Hello? Hello? Unable to do so. From the chapter On the Face of It, who has written On the Face of It, right? So the answer is Susan Hill. What is this play featuring? So the old man and the small boy meeting in old man's garden. Answer is, who is Mr. Lamb? These type of questions coming in your exam, right? So who is Mr. Lamb? An old man. What were Dairy and Mr. Lamb victims of? Means they are victim of which type of disease or what? So they are victim of physical impairment. There will be options, such options like vision impairment or war or none of them. So they are victim of physical impairment. Why did Mr. Lamb help Dairy? So what is the question? Mute all current and no participants.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
The time I am speaking to you, you're not help Dairy. Like he wanted Dairy to change his view of life. Answer is because he wanted Dairy to change his view of life. Who is Dairy? Right? Who is Dairy? So he is the 12th. So Dairy, if the question is that who is Dairy, so in the answer you know that from the chapter that Derek, the real name of the Dairy is Derek, a boy of 14 and has acid burnt on his face. If the question, if the options are given that he is only a small boy or a young boy, and one of the option is that his name is Derek and he is a boy of 14 and he has a acid burnt on his face. So it means the full-fledged answer is this, right? Even this option is not wrong, that he is a small boy, or this option is not wrong, a boy, this option is not wrong, even that a young boy. But the correct answer is, the full answer is that he is Derek, a boy of 14 and has acid burnt on his face. Clear? What unites Mr. Lamb and Derry? Unites means what is the bond between both of them? What is the thing which unites both of them? So the common thing between both of them are that they are physically impaired, right? They are not friends. Their age is not similar. Even their life stories are not similar. But the only thing which is similar in both of them are the same thing is that their physical impairment. So both of them are physically impaired. That's why they are friends. Like blind people, right? The same thing is that both are physically impaired. Clear? Next is, how does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy? So by reading books, it is all given in the chapter, that by reading books, by chatting with people, by pulling down the ripe crab apples of his garden. So the option is all of these. If the option is given that all of these, sometimes you will find the options like both A and B, or A and C, only A, or all of these, or none of these. So you need to check all the options particularly. Don't put your answer, mark your answer just at the first glance that this is the right answer and this will be the correct. Read all the options, then only you have to mark, because there will be tricky some changes in your questions and in options also. So read the question properly, read the options properly, then only you have to take. Clear? Then why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb's garden? To feel that place actually. He was not there to steal apples, not even there to speak to Mr. Lamb, not even there to help the old man, but he need to feel the place. That's why he told ki just to come. When Mr. Lamb asked him, why did you come here? So he told him that just he is there just because he wanted to come. How did Derry enter the garden? How did how? From the front gate, from the side gate, from back gate, or climbing the garden wall? So the right answer is climbing the garden wall. Nandini, you can make your doubts at the end of the last 15 minutes, right? By climbing the garden wall. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? To chat with the people and the children who come there to take fruit. To be safe is not the right answer. To keep an eye over his garden, that is because he was the caretaker of that garden and he wanted to keep his eyes on the garden. That's why he is there. No. So the right answer is to chat with the people, because nobody is there to chat with him. No one is his friend. So to chat with the people and the children who come there to take fruit. Next question is, why did children call Mr. Lamb Lemmy Lamb? So because of his broken leg is the right answer in a bomb explosion. So how did his leg was, what was the problem to his leg, or how his leg was broken? So because of bomb explosion. Next question is, why didn't Mr. Lamb feel hurt by children's comments? So answer is because he thought that it suits him. If somebody is asking him Lemmy Lamb, so because it suits him, that's why he was not, it was not hurting to him. What does Mr. Lamb grow in his garden? Pomegranate? No. Peach? No. Apples? Yes. Apples is the right answer. How did Mr. Lamb pick apples? Using a ladder and a stick? Right answer? Ladder and a stick. How did Mr. Lamb use the apples? So whether he wanted to earn money, or he wanted to make pickle, or he wanted to make jam, or he used to make jelly with them. So the answer is he wanted to make jelly with them. Next is, why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb at the end? Just a minute, students. The end, because of his wish to live a free life. Why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb at the end? Means after coming back to his home, why did Derry go back to Mr. Lamb? So the answer is because of his wish to live a free life. Otherwise, he was not living the free life. Why did Derry's mother stop him to stay with Mr. Lamb? The question is, why did Derry's mother stop him to stay with Mr. Lamb? So the answer is because she didn't want him to stay with a stranger. Why did Derry share his fear with Mr. Lamb? Answer is because he understood him and he was friendly. Nobody else in the world was understanding Derry, but Mr. Lamb was understanding Derry's problems. That's why He understood him and he was friendly. That's why he means Derry. Derry was sharing his fear with Mr. Lamb. How did Mr. Lamb help Derry? By giving him a positive outlook. By giving him a positive outlook, right? Next is, why did Mr. Lamb call Derry blessed? Blessed means even he has the physical impairment, still he was blessed because except a burnt face, he had a perfectly healthy body. Means no organ, no part is impaired from his body. That's why he was blessed. Otherwise, Lemmy Lamb, the one who is called Mr. Lamb, the Lemmy Lamb, he has a broken leg, so he can't run even. Even instead of that, the person that is Derry, he has not such a problem. So that's why he was blessed. Which story did Mr. Lamb narrate to Derry? The Beauty and the Beast. The story of Beauty and the Beast. The story he told Mr. Lamb. Yes, The Beauty and the Beast. What kind of a garden did Mr. Lamb have? What kind of garden did Mr. Lamb have? Apple garden he has. The question is already discussed that which fruit he was growing in that. Where was Mr. Lamb's house? Harsh, please. Don't disturb. Where was Mr. Lamb's house? Inside the garden, right? Next question is, how did Derry burn his face? How did Derry burn his face? Because of acid? So the answer is acid. If it is written in the option fire, hot water, gas stove, so all the options will be wrong. The right option will be acid burnt his face. The next is, why even in spite of physical disability, Mr. Lamb did not feel lonely. Means what? Why the attitude of Mr. Lamb was different from that of Derry? Because even he has the physical disability, the old man, Mr. Lamb, then also he did not feel lonely. The reason is because he never let himself to be alone and keep himself busy. So because he always, because whenever the person is in stress, or if the person has some problems, if he will keep himself busy in some other activities, so obviously the person will not feel any of such of the stress, anxieties or tensions and all such. Like the same poem, it is a thing of beauty, is also giving the same message. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? So the answer of this question is to have fine contact with the outer world and enjoy. He was not there to avoid the people. He was not there to he didn't want to be a friend of any person, or he was not there that uh, to get fresh air. That's why he was opening the doors of his house. But the answer is because he need to contact with the rest of the world, the outer world, and he wanted to enjoy his life at the fullest. That's why he always remain his door open. Then why did Derry develop an inferiority complex? So the answer is because of his burnt face. Inferiority complex just because of his burnt face. He was always thinking that because he has the burnt face, and that's why people didn't want to talk to him. That's why people used to tease him, or that's why the people didn't like him. So and he was thinking all such things. Whenever the people are speaking somewhere else, even then also he was thinking that people were making fun of him, standing there outside and all. So that's why. So he has that inferiority complex because of his burnt face. Then why did Derry like to be alone? It's the same question, because he was feeling inferiority. So that's why uh, he wanted to be alone. So why he wanted to be alone? Because of his burnt face, because he couldn't bear with people's comment, because of inferiority complex. So the answer will be all of these, because all the options are correct. Burnt face he has, Then he couldn't bear with people's comment, because people used to comment on him that he has that burnt face and all ugly face he is having. Even his mother doesn't like him. He was thinking such things. And because he has that inferiority complex inside him, that's why he wanted to be alone. So the answer will be all of these. How the meeting with Mr. Lamb became a turning point for Derry. Meeting with Mr. Lamb is what are the changes which came in the mind of Derry after meeting with Mr. Lamb. Whether he is the same person who had met him before, or after meeting him, going back to his mother's house, then coming back to Lamb's garden. So whether his attitude was changed or not. So the options I'm giving you. He encouraged Derry to be friends with everyone and not to be bothered by their comments. This is the thing which Mr. Lamb told him. Second option is that he taught him to look at everything positively. Exactly, he had put in him that positive attitude, positive thing. Then he taught him to admire everything, means each and everything in the world is a beauty. So you need to admire the thing. When you start admiring the thing, the other people also start admiring you. If we criticize others, they will criticize us. So it means the same response you will get in exchange. If you are thinking negative about the people will think negative about you. It is the same negative and positive energies flow, right? It is the general concept. So Mr. Lamb taught him that you need to admire everything, you need to look the things positively, you need to be friend with everyone, and don't bother about the comments of the people. So the answer will be
All of the above.
all of these. Yes, who's there? Who's there?
Ma'am, I have said all of the above.
Yeah, all of the above is the right answer. What did Derry learn from the fairy tale? Derry learn from the fairy tale. So fairy tale, that means the Beauty and the Beast, that tale told by this Mr. Lamb. So how to look beautiful, how to make friends, learn to love and appreciate himself. So it means all the answers are correct. How to look beautiful, how to make friends, and learn to love and appreciate himself. So the answer is all of these. Then how was Mr. Lamb happy in spite of his disability? In spite of his disability. So I hope you know the answer, because a number of times it is discussed in the same questions format, that because he accepts the thing as it is. If we start accepting the things as it is which are coming in our life, whether they are adverse circumstances, whether they are positive things in our life, whether they are negative things in our life. So if we start accepting the things, it means that we will not bother about the things, we will not be negative about the things, we will not be in stress if we accept the things. Because the second thing is because he was wise enough to see the things, because he had grown old. Old means old doesn't mean here means that he is an old man of 60 or 70 years. The exact answer is because of his experience that he had got from his life. So the answer will be all of these. Then why did Derry always find a vacant place to live? Derry. Read the question, don't get confused in Mr. Lamb and Derry. Derry is a small boy and Mr. Lamb was an old man. So why did Derry always find a vacant place to live? So he liked to be alone. He was scared of people because of inferiority complex, as he had a burnt face, or all of these. So the answer is all of
these.
all of these, because all the answers are correct. He liked to be alone, he was scared of people. And against this, Mr. Lamb was totally opposite. He liked to be with the people, he was not scared of people, and even he did not have inferiority complex in him, and he has that positive attitude. So the same thing is in the Mr. Lamb was totally opposite to Derry, right? Then why was Derry stalled entering the garden? Answer is because he expected no one else but seeing Mr. Lamb. Stalled means surprised, shocked to see. So why was Derry stalled entering the garden? So answer is because he expected no one else but seeing Mr. Lamb. What complex does Derry suffer from? So is it superiority or Oedipus or inferiority? So inferiority is the right answer. Why did Mr. Lamb not have curtains in his house? So because he wanted visitors in his house, because he wanted to invite friends in his house. So this is the right answer. What did Mr. Lamb tell about himself? He had a tin leg. He was still happy because even he has that physical impairment. He never mind even if children teased him. So all the answers are correct. What specific things about Mr. Lamb does Derry notice? So a man of firm resolution. Resolution means determination. Always remains happy in spite of his deformity, because he was deformed because of his thin leg, had a positive outlook. So all the answers are correct. In what sense was friendship between Lamb and Derry was fruitful? Means what was the output of the friendship of Mr. Lamb and Derry? So both were good companions. Both became good companions, means friends. Lamb's mature experiences and words helped Derry to have a positive view of life. His experience put him positive attitude of life in Derry. That's why you always ask to listen to your elders' words and follow them. What draws a Derry towards Lamb? Draws means attracts. So what draws a Derry towards Lamb? So why Derry was attracting
Positive
towards Lamb?
outlook.
Why? Because of his positive outlook. Right answer. Clear? So almost the chapter is clear to you. Still, if there is any doubt, you can ask from this chapter. And also let me know if you in a group also you can let me know that which chapter you find it difficult, so that I can prepare you for that chapter first. Because what I find is that the chapters of vistas are maybe you will find difficult. So if there is a doubt in other chapters, so you can let me know. I think all the students.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
yes, yes.
मैम हम डेरी को फिजिकली चैलेंज नहीं बोल सकते ना, क्योंकि उसका फेस बर्न्ट है, कोई अपाहिज नहीं है वो.
He was physically impaired, because if the person has some impairment on his body organ, body part, so that means he is type of a special child, in the category of special child, because he has a burnt face, so he is physically impaired. Even he is physically impaired.
मैम
Who's this?
मैं कह रही
Nandini?
हूँ मैं यस मैम
Yes, Nandini.
मैम मैं कह रही हूँ कि वो फिजिकली इम्पेयर्ड था, हम उसे फिजिकल चैलेंज नहीं बोल सकते ना, फिजिकली चैलेंज नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि वो अपाहिज नहीं था.
Yes.
उसकी फेस.
Yeah.
ओके मैम.
Khushi, should wizard hit mommy chapter revise? I think today should wizard hit mommy chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me discuss some questions of this chapter also today. Who is Jo? A 4-year-old girl. Curious to find unknown aspects of the stories told by her father. So complete answer is that she is a 4-year-old girl. It's not a 2-year-old girl now, because in the story it is shown that she is a 4-year-old girl. And he is curious to know the unknown aspects. Ki magic spells are correct or not, the god is there or not. So unknown aspects she wanted to know. Why did Jack start finding storytelling, telling ritual a core? A core. That means it's a daily work that he had to do. So why did Jack find it this Because it became a routine to make Joe sleep. That's why it was a daily storytelling is a daily core. Jack was finding. Who was Jack? Father. Joe was a girl. Joe was daughter. Right? What does a 4-year-old child symbolize in the story? Old child symbolize in the story. Symbolize means whether she was smart, whether she was obstinate. Obstinate means stubborn, ziddi, or she was innocent or none. So the right answer is no one knows. Innocence, because the child was innocent. What do adult people signify in the story? Means adult people means father. So father wanted to tell the story to the child to make her understand about the adults' experiences and adults' knowledge. So adult people's significance in the story is maturity and experience. He wanted to tell his girl, Nandini, Ivan's Tyson O level is not in September test, but it is in the syllabus in your board exam. So maturity and experience is that adult. Then what does Joe's father has a different opinion from Joe? So Joe is a child, so obviously different opinion, because he himself has a mature thought. That's why the opinion is different. He doesn't go by facial expressions. So that's why, because we know that how to understand the people's heart, and the small people, I mean small children, they don't know that they get the things by their facial expressions, other people's facial expressions. That's why they get deceived by the people. So the answer is all of these, how the Joe's father is different from the opinion of his girl child Joe. What are different about Roger's story? So Joe had a different opinion from her father. Roger's story, because Joe has a different opinion and father has a different opinion about the story. You have already read the stories, you know it very well. Why did Joe have a different opinion from her father? Because she was a child. She was unable to beyond the facial expressions. Obviously she didn't know that what will be the after effects of the story of this foul smell, changing of foul smell and all. Because she was not an experienced girl, she was not a mature girl. That's why she wanted to change the ending of the story also. When mother hit the wizard to change the foul smell into roses smell. So that's why he was just feeling angry at mother, and she wanted to change the ending of the story, that he should, the wizard should hit mummy back over on her head, right? Then what is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Can anybody guess or can tell the answer of this? Because I want this answer from you people.
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
moral? Yes.
Ma'am, parents are always right.
Yeah, parents are always wise and they know better than their children what to do, what not to do, or what is the best for them to do, right? So this is the answer.
Mm.
Where
Yes,
does
ma'am.
Joe, where are the other people? Are they not on this in the class? Where does Joe prefer to live? In the world of dreams and fantasies, because she didn't want to live in the actual world. She wanted to live in the world of dreams and fantasies. Fantasies means imaginations. Why does Joe's father want to punish the wizard? As a mature person, he thinks that wizard has tried to interfere with nature, so it must be punished. Means why the story is, in the story there is a thing that the wizard should be hit by the mummy. So the answer is because wizard was changing the natural thing. Natural means the foul smell of that Roser